Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you or unboxing with you this gift box from Rituals. But before we get into that video, hey, my name is Doris. I'm a mom, I'm a Cameroonian, and I'm based in Belgium. I'm a wife, a businesswoman, and I'm that Christian woman who has chosen to serve God sincerely and in freedom. So on this channel, we do faith-based video, lifestyle video like this one. Sometimes we vlog as well to show you how we go about our life as a Christian family. Okay, so if any of this is of interest to you, then feel free to subscribe to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys, which can also be a perfect Easter gift idea or birthday idea to someone that is like me or any other person. So but before we go ahead to unbox this, I'll give you guys a little bit of background as to how that box came about. So it's all about this red envelope right here. So in January 2022 I didn't receive a New Year gift. No, I didn't receive a regular New Year gift from my husband. So what my husband gave me was this strange envelope. I won't forget that day. And I was like, what is this now? Why are you trying to write me a love letter? You can just speak to me directly, you know. So he said I should open the envelope. So when I opened the envelope, it was really beautiful. He told me that he has taken a vow that for 2022 he's going to do something different. He's going to give me a gift every single month. He just wants to make me to feel happy, or just make me to have to be curious of what I'm getting in that month. Now, disclaimer, it's not like he has not been giving me gift before. My husband always gives me gift, especially last year. Last year was one of the favorite years in my life, you know, because he got me my new MacBook, the recent one, my phone, my necklace that is my first gold necklace, my first gold nose ring that I lost. Like, so many beautiful gifts, but they were not coming every single month. Like, they'll just come like that. So he decided on his own this time that every single month he wants to at least give me a gift. A gift is his own way of showing me love. So in the month, so this is how the envelope came. It came with 12 cards, and the 12 card represented the 12 months in the year. First of all, I just love the design. The first card is a picture of ourselves when we were exchanging our rings the day we were doing our wedding at the city council. We call it the community right here. So if you're wondering, my husband is a web designer, and he designed all of this by himself. Website designing, branding, and all of that. That's what he does. That's his main job. So if I take out the first cover, the second thing you see, it's a card, and it has there, my 2022 gift to you, my love. So it says 12 present, and down here it says 1, and it has a big box right here and a question sign asking like, what am I getting for the month of January? So I already had for the month of January, I already had for the month of February, and the last month that just passed was the month of March, which was the women's month. And this box that we are going to be unboxing is the month of March, right? I'm just curious to see how the month roll, and I really love this idea because every month I'm expecting something, and I thank God for the wisdom that he gave him, because this can come from nowhere else but from God, you know. He says, let me whisper to your ear how to make my daughter happy. So and I was so happy with this box. When I looked at it detailedly, I looked at the content, I looked at the writing and everything. It just basically represents me, like who I am right now. It's an expression of myself, and this really made me feel special because it went to show that my husband is actually listening to me. He's paying attention to those little details, you know. I don't want to say that most men misses, but this guy, he listens as if he's not listening. Like, he listens to my words, he listens to my body language. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm talking to myself. He listens. So that really got me, made me feel so special and really emotional and grateful when I received this box last month, March 2022, on the 29th of March. That was when I got my third gift for the hair. And so I got this box from Ritual. That's how the box looks like. I've already opened this, but for the sake of this video, I went ahead and did a little knot right here, a little bow. And the box comes with, this part of the box is magnetic. So if you open it, the moment you open this box, it smells so good. So when we open, I really love the design of this box. I really love it. It's so steady. You can keep it. So right here you have a word that says the Ritual logo, and then you have something that says Ritual helps you slow down to find happiness in the smallest of things. It's our passion to turn everyday routines into a meaningful ritual. So when I read this, I just like, this man, because if you remember, I made a video, one of my last videos, I was talking about living a slow life and finding happiness in the little things around you. And that's just the kind of life I'm living right now. Like, that's who I have always been, but I made it intentional 2022 to focus on my physical, mental and spiritual health, and to go at my pace, to live a slow life. To live a slow life is not a lazy life. It just means that I'm working with my body energy. I'm going at my pace, the pace of my body, my spirit. I'm not rushing. I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm not looking at what's happening in anybody's house. I'm looking at who I am, where I'm standing, and how I can have happiness from the things and the people around me, no matter how tiny or little that thing is. So I went ahead and asked him, is it that when you go to Ritual, everything you buy you get in this box? He said no, there is a level you need to hit for you, like a level of things you need to buy for Ritual to be able to offer you this gift box. So when you open the box, you have it came with 4 items. So let me just quickly mention that this is the second time I'm having this kind of gift box for Ritual. Okay, so in this box I have 4 items. I'm going to start with my favorite, which is this perfume right here. I really love this perfume. It's so me. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It's so beautiful. Normally this is how you're supposed to place it. So it comes in all these baby pink with patches of black and gold, and of course you have here, it says the name of the perfume is Fleur de l'Himalaya Parfum, and this is 700. This is 160 ml. I love this perfume so much because it's just me. I don't like a kind of perfume that is strong. I love soft, gentle perfume. With this perfume, if I put it on my t-shirt now, it's going to first of all stay on my t-shirt. Like, if I spray this perfume on my t-shirt or on my clothes while in the bathroom, the smell is going to linger in the bathroom for a while. My memory card got full, so I had to switch the memory card. So like I was saying, the perfume is very good. If you're someone that loves a gentle, soft perfume, then this perfume is definitely for you. The next thing I got in this box, that is something new that was not in the last box, because my husband is the one choosing the things to put in the box, is this the Ritual of Sakura blooming blossom fragrance stick, and this is how it looks. So one thing again that I really loved about this, because everything in this box just goes to fits perfectly well with my lifestyle. I love to have a nice scented house and nice fragrant, relaxing, meditative kind of fragrance going on. That's why I'm always having candles all around. Oh, this one again, it says blooming blossom fragrance stick, and it contains rice milk and cherry blossom. At the back of it, it says that in Japan, the annual flowering of sakura has been celebrated by centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day like a new beginning. Again, the words, the choice of words that are being used in the things in this box really just describes me. The last video I made, I was talking about new beginnings, slow living, and finding happiness in the little things around you, and that's just what this is. So this is a oh my god, immediately you open this thing, it smells so good. And then in here you have kind of a manual of what to do, just some things written in this little card. and then you have the sticks, and then you have the scent itself. Let's just talk about the packaging of the products right here. That is how it looks. That's how it looks in this beautiful 100, and what quantity is this? Let me give you guys the quantity. Okay, 70 ml. So it comes in a 70 ml bottle, and the liquid starts from here. It starts somewhere around here, not half, it starts right here. The bottle is so beautiful. If you're someone that loves beautiful scents in the house and you also like decoration, this is something you might love, or you can offer to someone that is like that, because it's all white and black, and it has this beautiful gold thing here, and you have rituals inscribed in it. You can just have this when you open this lid right here, and then you insert the sticks, and you can place it on your nice countertop, on your entry, your hallway, or the entry to your house. You can just have a beautiful stand right there where you have some drawers where you come in, you throw your car key, throw some things, you know, and on top of it you have some wood, a flower pot, and then you just have this little stem standing there. It's really beautiful. So not only is it going to give you a good scent at home, it also can serve as a beautiful decoration, and of course you can still use this box again on its own as a decor piece. Of course, there are some dried pampas grass you can put in here to use as a decor as well. So I'm not throwing this, I'm going to be using this. So again, just this alone you can offer to someone as a gift. As someone who loves beautiful house smell, someone who loves decor, you can just offer them this alone as a gift. So the next thing I got in this box is the 24-hour antiperspirant spray with rice milk and cherry blossom. I had something similar to this. I had the same, I think, if I'm not mistaken, in the previous box I had last year, and I really love it. It says 24 hours. I think it is more than 24 hours, because I got this last year in May during my birthday, and I traveled with it, and I didn't sweat at all. You know, it leaves me dry on my armpit, and it smells so good and so relaxing as well. So this is 150 ml. The last but not the least thing I got in the box that I really love also is this hand balm right here. And I got something like this the last time for the last box, but it was a different one, which is this one, and I love this one so much. So this is what I got in the last box. One is the ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. So I was talking about the hand cream. So the last box I had this one, and this is so beautiful. I'm going to give a review about this one. So this one is something new, which I'm going to be trying. This one has rice milk and cherry blossom in it. Meanwhile, this one has almond oil and Indian rose oil. They are both this one says harmonious hand balm. This one is a flourish or the flowering hand balm, but they are both soothing hand balm. This one really worked wonders for me on my hand. I had Wicklow. If I don't know what Wicklow is in other languages, but all my both fingers were all peeled and looking so rough. So this thing really healed my hand very fast, and it leaves my hand so soft and good. So this one, both of them, this one is white. That's how it looks, and it's really moisturizing, really moisturizing, can you see? I really love it, and it's the same thing with this one as well. And it smells so good. It smells so good. So this is how this one looks. They are both really moisturizing, two different scents, and I really love them. So that is it for this box, and I love the fact that this time around my husband got all of these are from the same, I don't know how to say, brand or flavor or whatever, because all of them are the rituals of Sakura, and I really love it. The scent, the deodorant, and the hand balm. So the two new things from me are this hand balm. So in a nutshell, that's what came in this box. If you're looking forward to offer someone a gift, if you know someone that loves skincare, that loves to have a meditative life like me, someone that really loves to live a slow life, this is a perfect gift box for them. You can offer them a few things from here, or you can offer them all and even go ahead to add more. I wish I could give you more information on how to pick these things, but it was a gift which I thought well to share with you. And this box is so beautiful, so beautiful. You can use this also as a decorative piece in your closet, your, I don't know, so many places, your bathroom. You can use it there. So that was it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful to you. Do you have a ritual in your country? If yes, will you be stopping by a ritual to pick someone an Easter present if you're celebrating Easter present? I really love ritual as well. That thing is so hydrating. My hand feels so hydrated right now. I really, really love it. Okay, so that was it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do not forget to give this channel or to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.